Hey guys, it's Alik, NatureWithAlik, over here with a new place, beginning of November 2025. We finally relocated. Thank you so much for all guys, your support and financial and moral support, and all the volunteers coming and helping us to relocate. It was a big project. So right now we're cleaning up right now. Lots of plants, 100 plants already successfully moved. One was actually broken away, was too heavy, shaking. As you can see, we trim everything. This was a like mix between the physical graffiti and one of the variety from Home Depot and unknown. So basically we decided to let it go, and you can see the problem was here with the rotten the post. Actually took 5 years to get to this point. Redwood. So we're all doing mistakes, 5 years survived, and we used the, you saw in the previous video, we used the rope to basically hold everything, tied to the frame, to the post, but eventually during the big move it cracked and everything, so we decided to let it go. I just want to show you guys how big is the root system. So basically it was two plants over here in one 45-gallon container. So I'm gonna try to dump all this heavy container, and let's see the root system after 5 years of God, that's a lot. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, when we're building the bottom of the post, we nailed with the big nails and the washers, so it will hold the post to your container. Okay, so I'm just gonna lift a 45-gallon plastic container, just we can see how much moisture and everything. So it was good. It's still moist, everything from the previous rain, mixed soil, sand, little rocks and everything. And I'll just grab the shovel and just break down to see how far is the root system actually went through. But the new design already, what we're doing, we're wrapping the post. You can see the post here, it's just cracked in the center, and it's interesting, it didn't got any damage on the bottom, so probably was some kind of the access of the water, redwood, but 5 years is gone. What's interesting, a new version that we're doing, we're already putting 45-degree horizontal supports to the frame, and as well as we're doing wraps, the post wrap, the plastic wrap. We put it probably like two feet above, 2 feet. We cover completely all this area, so it's going a little bit, couple inches above the soil and the mulch, and we seal everything on the bottom. So first is going to go the new version of the container. So it's going to be a concrete block about 9 inches high. Then it's going to be post, 4 feet high post, wrapped with the plastic wrap, sealed completely with the silicone top and the bottom, so no water can get access to the 4x4 post. And then it's going to continue the redwood with 45-degree brackets on the sides. Okay, so I'm just going to break this one. I just want to see, we haven't watered this one for probably 2 weeks before we relocate. It was lots of moisture still holding from the rain, as you can see. So the root system, see, it went all the way down, and it's probably was a lot from the rain. I was afraid that they didn't make much, but here's the root system. But majority of the roots are located almost on the top, like over here. You can see the layer. This is the layer from the bottom over here. So that's the most of the very light root system that's sitting there at the bottom, at the top of the plant. Right now it's like on the picture at the bottom, and basically now I can't even slice it open because okay. So that's the root system, but I want to show you the slice of the tiny hair roots that almost on the top, that's collecting the moisture from our watering. Okay, here we go. No big roots, nothing bigger than a 1/4 inch diameter. So that's it. I can't even turn around this whole pile. I'll probably collect some soil or we'll just spread it out. And basically the goal is right now go half by half of the acre. So there is 1 acre of land. We're gonna fill up this half an acre right now. Fill up half an acre with the weed barrier. Make a nice, good level area. Then the irrigation system is gonna go by perimeter and it's gonna feed from the sides all the plants and containers. There's gonna be seating area. There's gonna be tent for the plants to grow in the small containers. Wherever we're gonna collect the cuttings, rooting processing over here, as well as little parking. So we'll invite you guys as soon as it's gonna be ready. Hopefully we'll make it before the Thanksgiving. I will really be happy to see you all and appreciate with the little party as well. Thank you so much. Alik, Nature with Alik from the new Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard in Moore Park. All the best, guys. Greetings from California. Bye bye.